Hello adik-adik, this is Raj Kumari. Thanks for using Raj English Corner. I'm very excited to be here and I look forward to meeting you in my class. Saya sangat senang berada di sini dan saya berharap dapat bertemu dengan adik-adik di kelas saya. Today, we are just going over the verb to be in the interrogative form. Hari ini adik-adik, kita akan membahas kata kerja to be dalam bentuk interrogative, yaitu verb to be dalam bentuk pertanyaan. But before we do that, here's a quick review of the affirmative. And here's a quick review of the affirmative contractions. And here's a quick review of the negative contractions of the verb to be. Now, let's go over our today's topic, the interrogative of the verb to be. But before that, adik-adik, what is an interrogative sentence? Apa yang dimaksud dengan kalimat interrogatif? An interrogative sentence asks questions. It asks us something or requests information. Kalimat interrogatif mengajukan pertanyaan, menanyakan sesuatu kepada kita atau meminta informasi dari kita. So, how do you form the interrogative of the verb to be, Miss Raj? Jadi bagaimana membentuk interrogatif dari kata kerja to be, Miss Raj? In its interrogative form, adik-adik, the verb to be is placed before the subject nouns such as John, Mary, Blackie, etc. or subject pronouns such as I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, followed by a question mark. So, dalam bentuk interrogatifnya adik-adik, kata kerja to be diletakkan sebelum subject nouns seperti John, Mary, Blackie, etc. atau subject pronouns yaitu kata ganti orang seperti I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Kemudian ditutup dengan tanda tanya. Let's take a look. For example, we have the affirmative I am. Misalkan adik-adik, kita mempunyai affirmative I am. Bagaimana mengubahnya ke interrogative? It's very easy adik-adik, mudah sekali. Just change the order and it becomes the interrogative. Balik saja susunannya dari I am menjadi am I. Sekali lagi, dari I am menjadi am I. Jadilah interrogatifnya. Mudah bukan? In the same way, we have you are. Just change the order, it makes are you. He is he. She is she? It is it? We are we? You are you? They are they? William is William? Sarah is Sarah? The dog is the dog? John and I are John and I? You and Sarah are you and Sarah? Sam and Barry are Sam and Barry? Now, let's review. Please test yourselves, adik-adik. Write in the correct interrogative of the verb to be. Please check your answers. Now let's dig deeper, adik-adik. Let's put everything into context. Am I? Apakah saya ada di ruang bawah tanah? Am I in the basement? Yes, you are. Apakah saya ada di loteng? Am I in the attic? No, you're not. Or no, you aren't. Are you? Are you? Are you? Apakah kamu ada di halaman belakang? Are you in the backyard? Yes, I am. Apakah kamu ada di halaman depan? Are you in the front yard? No, I'm not. Is he? Is he? Is he? Apakah dia ada di kamar bayi? Is he in the nursery? Yes, he is. Apakah dia ada di kamar anak? Is he in the children's bedroom? No, he's not. Or no, he isn't. Is she? Is she? Is she? Apakah dia ada di gudang? Is she in the storeroom? Yes, she is. Is she in the storage room? Apakah dia ada di ruang penyimpanan? No, she's not. No, she isn't. Is it? Is it? Is it? Apakah dia ada di ruang belajar? Is it in the study? Yes, it is. Apakah dia ada di ruang tamu? Is it in the living room? No, it's not. No, it isn't. Are we? Are we? Are we? Apakah kami ada di dapur? Are we in the kitchen? Yes, you are. Apakah kami ada di ruang makan? Are we in the dining room? No, you're not. No, you aren't. Are you? Are you? Are you? Apakah kalian di kamar belajar anak? Are you in the children's study? Yes, we are. Apakah kalian ada di ruang bermain anak? Are you in the children's playroom? No, we are not. No, we aren't. Are they? Are they? Are they? Apakah mereka ada di ruang cuci baju? Are they in the laundry room? Yes, they are. Apakah mereka ada di ruang bermain? Are they in the playroom? No, they are not. No, they aren't. Here's another exercise to test yourselves, adik-adik. This exercise will help you to practice more. Pause the video anytime to find out what you want to practice. Let's get started. Steven, ruang fitness, teras. Steven. Steven is. Is Steven in the gym? Yes, he is. Is he on the terrace? No, he's not. Or no, he isn't. Michelle, lantai atas, di bawah. Michelle. Michelle is. Is she upstairs? Yes, she is. Is she downstairs? No, she's not. Or no, she isn't. Anjing tersebut, ruang musik, ruang dansa. The dog. The dog is. Is the dog in the music room? Yes, it is. Is it in the dance room? No, it's not. Or no, it isn't. Mary dan saya. Di rumah, yes. Di luar rumah, no. Mary and I. Mary and I are. Are Mary and I at home? Yes, you are. Are we outside the house? No, you are not. Or no, you aren't. Patricia dan saya. Ruang makan, yes. Dapur, no. Patricia and I. Patricia and I are. Are Patricia and I in the dining room? Yes, you are. Are we in the kitchen? No, you're not. Or no, you aren't. You and Thomas. Ruang tamu. Yes. Ruang extra. No. You and Thomas. You and Thomas are. Are you and Thomas in the living room? Yes, we are. Are you in the spare room? No, we are not. No, we aren't. Nancy and Susan. Garasi, yes. Halaman, no. Nancy and Susan. Nancy and Susan are. Are Nancy and Susan in the garage? Yes, they are. Are they in the yard? No, they are not. Or no, they aren't. Kucing-kucing. Ruang belajar, yes. Di kamar anak-anak, no. The cats. The cats are. Are the cats in the study? Yes, they are. Are they in the children's room? No, they are not. Or no, they aren't. That's it for today, adik-adik. You did great. Great job. Stop the video and try again one more time, and one more time, and one more time. Hentikan video dan cobalah sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered the topic. Dan jangan lanjutkan ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now, adik-adik. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you loads.